Alright guys, we got a donkey Stomper 16Pill 1600 high drive HG 16Pill CW. This is a rebuild. It's been through several different places, and I'm not even going in detail, but we put new transistors in it and fixed it all up. It's good to go. Do a little test video on her. We'll start out. Look at her straight through SWR like we always do. Straight through SWR. Worldwide 0. Radio drive, input SWR. Worldwide 0. 2500, well, output reflex, radio drive. Worldwide, almost done. 2500 watt slug, PP. Worldwide, about 300-400. Alright. Go over and turn on the little Texas Star. This is what we're going to be putting into it. 2500 watt peak. Worldwide, we're going to be driving about worldwide, a couple hundred in there. Alright, let's just start out here. Turn it back on. 200 watt drive. 5 watt reverse. Worldwide. A watt back. 2500 watt slug PP. Worldwide. Look at our 5000 watt slug, peak power, 200 drive. Worldwide. Just about 2500 right there. Get on down, Alright. Turn it off. You can go over here and put about 300 drive in with the little faithful 2-pill. This will be 300 drive in. PP. 5000 watt slug. Worldwide. A little 3000. Worldwide. Donkey Stomper, 5 watt reverse. Worldwide, less than watt still. Worldwide. 300 in. Worldwide. Make sure 3000 out. Alright. Now we're going to put about 500 in drive. 500 in drive. Worldwide. You say 4,000. That's on a dummy low. We won't hide that much on the antenna. Worldwide. Now I ain't no sense to run it that hard. I'd run about 3,000 if it was me. Now just for kicks, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna take the antenna wire and I'm gonna put it on the air, and you'll see the difference when it drops down on the antenna. I ain't gonna touch nothing on that, just put the antenna on. That's all. Just for kicks. Never run about 15.3 to 15.4. Alright. 5,000 watt slug on the antenna. Worldwide. This still does pretty good, about 4,000. You can say we're on the antenna because you can watch the reflex. Worldwide. I see the 5 watt go over. That's on the antenna. Worldwide. What you need to run it is about right here. This with the 300 watt drive. Worldwide. Man, run this thing about 3,000. You get 3,000 out of it, Pete. Let her send it. That's plenty. But I just want to do a video show you working on the antenna and the radio. And the straight through, as you see, you know when you put a box straight through it. Straight through. This is just the driver. Worldwide. So about 300 straight through. Worldwide, no clicking. No oscillating, no problems. Worldwide, that's on my antenna. Worldwide. Turn it on the antenna. Worldwide. She's actually, let's see, she's doing about 1,400 average. That's with my Galaxy radio. One of these days I might build me a 29 and put up there and show all them big average watts, even though they don't mean squat. 5,000 watt slug, 300 watt drive. Worldwide. Antenna, worldwide. That's plenty. That's plenty of drive. I mean, you got 16 pills here. They're rated 100 watt each on the data sheet, okay? So it's 100 watt peak. So that'd be 1,600 peak. You're getting 3,000 peak. So you're doing double what the data sheet says. So that's plenty to me. I mean, I think if you run it between 25 and 3,500, you're good to go. that extra running up to 4,000, that's not going to help you none. That's just bragging rights. The only reason I kick it that much is, you know, so like these haters and judgmenters and all that on the internet, it says their box does this and that and that. I just kick them out hard to show that we'll do it. But like I said, 25 to 35, you're good. There she is. She's all fixed up. The controversial 16 pill rebuilt. And I've got another one to do too. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend in 10-018 Beavers. Catch you later. Bye bye.